Hello and welcome. Today, this is me, Jake Winda, and today I'm actually going to be working on a new multiplayer game, hopefully an MMO because, boss, why not? I wanted to work on a game, so I'm trying to get a game set up. I'm actually have a different stream set up this time so I can have a better idea of what I'm doing and also be able to switch without any kind of insanity going on because I've learned my lesson from before with the streams and having insanity. So I'm actually here. I have my Unity open. It's Unity 5.33. It's not the newest Unity. I also have kind of have a little diagram I'm using right here for the movement. I did that before hand, of course. But actually, I do. These are actually all the games I've been working on. The old game World One, I'm still kind of working on that, but I haven't really doing very much to fully work on it or really make it more advanced or whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new project. Easiest name ever, MMO1. I'll just put it here on my desktop real quick and desktop. You can see everything I got. I'm just gonna ignore that fact. I'm gonna get Photon Unity networking, and that's I think it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and create the project, and so that's that. So hopefully in just a couple of seconds I will have my Unity set up. It's almost finished. My computer's actually up there, so I'll move you around a little bit. My computer's right there. So it's kind of my setup on my computer there. It's also an extra computer down here, but I haven't really been using it that often. It's an older computer, so I don't really use it. I'm mostly using the one that's next to me. It's an HP Pavilion. It's pretty good computer. I mean, I can't complain. But my Unity is almost done now. It is finishing up some asset packages, which is nice to know. Really nice to know. I hate when this happens. It takes forever for Unity to do anything. It kind of annoys me. It's actually highly annoying when Unity takes forever to do anything. Hey, look at this. There's a viewer. Hello. Wait, can I do it? Haha. What's up? Man, this is taking absurdly long. Usually Unity comes up pretty quick. If you're wondering why I've been live streaming so ridiculously much, I don't know. I've just been live streaming like a maniac recently. My maniac live streaming is definitely doing something. That's for sure. Wait, have I not been doing this properly? Hmm. Was I doing this properly? I'm not sure. I gotta go look at it from another computer. But I was trying to show off. I don't know if it was working before, but I'm definitely presenting my camera now. So hopefully it does that the whole time. Okay, so I'm presenting from the camera again. But what I was showing off before is my computer down there on the ground. I also have an extra monitor. And I was trying to show off my setup, which is basically got a computer right here. This is the HP Pavilion I was telling you about. And there's my computer screen over there doing its thing. Thankfully, I have a better screen, so you don't have to worry about the HP Pavilion. I mean, looking at this lame camera screen and just watch me work. It's also very hot in here. My AC hasn't been working for various reasons. Who knows why my AC doesn't work? But let's actually switch back over to the Unity screen. There we go. I don't know if it was actually presenting that before. Kind of making me suspicious now if anyone has actually seen anything. But we're like a couple minutes in, so even if it was being glitchy as usual, hopefully everything was fine. I'm going to skip that for now. Yep. No, Photon Unity networking at this exact second. Trying to get everything set up here. Okay. First thing, just for testing, I'm going to go ahead and create a simple game object. I'm going to hopefully do a plane. If I can find it. I'll make it, I don't know, 50 by 50. A nice 50 by 50 plane. And I'm actually just going to drop down my super simple character right now, which for now is just going to be a capsule that I named player. I'm going to immediately go ahead and start changing in your script. Immediately create player movement real quick. Excuse me. And Unity is lagged. Great. Player add to the bottom. I can go ahead and actually open up Mono Development and get started with this. Excuse me. Might as well switch back over while Mono Develop is loading. Because Mono Develop typically takes forever. Actually, never mind. When I'm recording, apparently Mono Develop wants to work properly. Mono Develop, why are you doing this to me? So I'm in Mono Develop, and let's go ahead and switch back over. Another viewer, wow. This is surprisingly a little bit more popular than I was originally expecting. I was expecting actually no one to be here for this live stream, but I just wanted to put out a video, so I decided to record this. Is that my mom in the background? Oh my god. I wish there was like she's cooking dinner and I'm actually quite close to the kitchen. I wish I could close the door. Actually, I will be right back and actually close this door real quick. RQ. I'll be right back, RQ. Ugh. Is there a problem with me closing the door? Yes. What are you doing here that you Nothing. I want coolness, and the kitchen is hot. I'm overheating. See the sweat, Mom? You have the sweat? No, I don't see the sweat. I won't close it all the way. Absolutely. Your room doesn't need to cool, right? Of course my room needs to be cool. Crowded in the rest of the house. I'll close the door partially, okay? I'm back. Oh, my viewer left. I feel bad now. Oh.
Or are you on the phone with somebody or talking to somebody you don't want me to hear?
Nope.
There's something.
There we go. Move this out the way. Now we know what. Oh, that's gonna be in my way, isn't it? Close that, please. Oh, I thought that was just gonna end the call. So close. You gotta make sure to stay on the ball at switching windows here. Oh, that's me. Look, I look so derpy. Wow, you can be small. But anyway, just put it there to fill. Actually, just make this the whole screen on that side. Thank you. Appreciate it. The zoom never does work properly. Just gotta use that zoom. Okay. Simply just gonna copy this. Damage agent. Private. Vector 3. I don't even need to know. Target. As usual. Make sure to stick to my original naming convention of capitalization. In the start. Agent is equal to get component. Where is it at? Get. Fine, I'll just type it. Sheesh. Get component. Nav mesh agent. That's that. An update. Oops. Seriously? Input. Get mouse button down. Get mouse button down. Oh, at mouse button 0, which should be the right way. Mouse 0 should be the what click? Okay, mouse button 0 on the mouse should, I think, be the left one. I think. Anyway. Wait. Or right click. If it's I want to do the right click one, so if it's left click, I can just make it mouse button 1. So I'm pretty sure there's no minus mouse button. I think that's what it had before, was the right click to move. That's what I want anyway. Get this down. Ray. Wow. Equals camera. I can do this one by memory. I hate when it does that capitalization thing. Camera. Name. Ray. And I want the Ray out to input that mouse position. Input dot mouse position. Okay, if you're not sure what's actually going on right now, basically on this screen point to Ray, it's taking a pixel on the screen and basically drawing a ray, or as some people like to call them, like God rays or whatever you call them. The ray casts out from that one pixel straight in the 3D environment and hits the first thing that it sees. So if you say click over a piece of terrain, it's gonna find that pixel that the terrain's on and ray cast from it straight out. Whenever it hits, that's what's gonna be in this ray cast hit right here. Seriously, ray cast hit. That's what that's gonna contain. Now, here's what I set up the movements. The movement where I want it to move. If physics. Oh, it's doing that thing again. Physics dot recast. Recast all is something I have actually never used, surprisingly, in Unity. I don't know why. It's quite useful. I also always forget the out because I'm noobish. I'm always like, why is this not working? It's because I forgot the out, dummy. This basically limits you from moving over 100 units. So essentially, if I'm like point A right here, so I'm point A, I want to get to point B. Yeah, my pixel drew a ray all the way over there. It's the pixel I wanted and hit the object that I wanted at that exact point I wanted. And I started moving there. But basically, the raycast distance, the max distance, is basically if there's this other platform at the other side of the map or something ridiculous, like an absurd amount away, it'll still register that as the hit because the pixel was there and it hit it, no matter how far it was away. So this basically limits, just ignore it if it's X distance away. That way we know we're not going to be moving our character into some absurd position or anything of ridiculousness of that sort. Which is actually extremely useful. Really, really useful. What is this, my friend just calling me? What the heck? Hello? Oh, my tablet's lagging. Fine. Hello. Now it's flashing. It's flashing. That can't be good. Sup, I say. Dot. Sup, dot. That's my reply. Switch back over to the other window. Sorry for cutting off my face. Camera's just on the weird angle on the side of the monitor, so I'm just gonna infinitely ignore that. My self thing is probably ridiculously pixely. I don't know if it actually switches if I do this. I think that's just switching my view. I don't know if I'm actually switching the broadcast. If this is switching the actually I'll just go check. I have my trusty tablet. I can go pull up my own broadcast while I'm continuing. Actually, I'll just go back here. I need to stop. What you would call it? Stalling. Or this episode is going to go absolutely nowhere. Set the destination to hit the point. The point, basically the point exactly where the hit something, the raycast, and then this is so you cannot have you. Sorry about that. Infinitely going into something. F. F basically just means it's a floating point integer instead of a solid integer, which is very useful. It says Hangouts content hidden. Incoming video call, it says. Interesting. I'm actually about to go and check here real quick. RQ. You know, I'm wiping my nose if that's what you saw. So I have no idea how this thing works here. Searching myself. Ooh, stuff in the camera. Either way, if you're just looking at a blank screen, that's probably not good. So I'm just going to switch it back over so I know what's doing anyway. Turn my volume all the way down. Close my windows. Sup, he says. Sup, buddy? Sup, bruh? Okay, so I am broadcasting here. Oh, that's nice to know. That's really nice to know. Hold up. Does that mean if I click on that, it switches over? Oh, no, it doesn't. Oh, that's harsh. Finally, she says. Shopkins 101 fans, so evil. Man, sheesh. So evil, man. I'm getting so many comments all of a sudden. Okay. I got like 5 different people sending me messages now. This is getting insane. This is insanity. I'm not sure if it's one of my friends sending me messages. Like one here right now. I'm actually going to ignore that remaining distance. Technically, this script should be working already. So I'm going to pull back up my Unity, full screen it. Wow, everything got real bunched up fast. Layout, please. Doop-doop-doop-doop. Doop-doop-doop-doop-doop-doop. Where's my plane? What happened? Houston, we have a problem. I should really probably reply to my friends before they get completely annoyed at me for actually sending them back a message and then not replying. Okay, presenting, and where is my messaging? Didn't mean to close the Hangouts on air. Oh God. I might accidentally stop the broadcast or something. I'm alive! I will tell them. I'm alive! Exclamation points! Oh yeah, we have another viewer. I have no idea if that's actually Jazz Love Dayton. I'm just gonna ignore that. I have no idea what this boy is spewing. Boy, what you spewing? I'm alive on YouTube. Like a billion exclamation points. Okay. Back to actually doing things beneficial. Yes. Back to programming. Okay. I think this will just work. Oh, wait. Well, technically, it's in game view. Should probably change that a little bit. Let's see. Can I actually put you on the pointer real quick? This is gonna be dizzying, but it'll be okay for now. Got me. Do a little third person here. MMO third person view. Classic. It's gonna be a little bit dizzying. I'm just gonna know that. Genji. Classic name. Classic name. I'm also slightly sick with the sniffles. Got the sniffles. Hey, look, my friends. They're also texting me back. I'm off on YouTube. I said. He says cool. I have no idea if that's him watching right now. If it's you watching, Jalen, what's up, boy? Oh wait, you didn't see it. I didn't switch. Oh, I keep switching my screen here, but not because I have to click present to everyone. So it's getting started. What's up, boy? Let's try not to lag the screen. Yeah. Shopkins 101 fan says K. Yay. Whatever that means. K, yay. Derp. Girl, what you talking about? Can be K, yay, and me. Okay. Present to everyone. Let's go. Taking too long for this. Can I screen share more than one? Yeah, I can. That'd just be weird, though. It'd be like screen share Inception. So let's not do that. It'd probably just lag everything out if I try. Let's not do screen share Inception. Blah, blah, blah. I know, Photon. I'll figure that out a little bit later. Put on my earphones for a sec so I can check my audio. Oh, broken. I'm stupid. Not only do I need to put on a nav mesh agent, I need to go to navigation, bake it. I'm baking that pie. Ooh, kill it. Oh, that was stupid. Yeah, that's navigation static. Yeah, please. Wait, am I selected player? Oops, no. Yes, change children. Plane is navigation static and is walkable. Should probably change this a little bit. Hold up. Step height is going to be 5, so jump half a block high. Agent radius is about 6, so we don't go anywhere we're not supposed to. We're going to make the height 2.5. The drop height is going to be like, we can drop from 3 blocks high. And we can definitely jump 1.1. That should be about reasonable. Bake that. Excuse me. That's so rude of me. Oh, wow. It was so rude that my only viewer left. Oh, my God. That's embarrassing. I'm just kidding. It's not really embarrassing. I can be answering messages on my tablet. I forgot. What's up? Okay, I'm back. And now we have this big blue area, which is the nav mesh. So if I play, I now should be able to move around. Probably can't tell. Probably should change that. Just now I realize everything is white, so even if I do move, it'd be kind of hard to tell I even moved. Lag is real. My crew is real, and all we need is 2 good wheels. Got gas in the tank, cash in the bank. What's that? I forget I can use this. Boop! I got snapping action, son. Let's try this again. It works. We can move. That's just weird. You just like phase through that for a second. I don't know what's happening there. But we can kind of move. It'd be a lot easier to see if our camera wasn't infinitely stuck inside of a player. It's more dizzying than I originally first thought. So let me actually go ahead and change that. What's up with this? I just randomly see some stuff. Like, hold up. Really? Never even noticed that. Sup? Oh, I completely got ignored. Oh, that's cold. Somebody is ignoring me. I said sup, but he just said nothing back. That's torture. Forget that, man. That's just cold. I need company when I'm doing programming, or else it's just too boring, you know? I'll be like, I'm doing some programming at home, but it's too boring. It's too boring. Oh, this is actually pretty good. Sorry, you're looking at me. I know. I'm doing that on purpose. I need to change the color. I need new color. I need color in my life. Where you at? Where you at, boy? What's up, boy? This live stream might be like 14 hours long. It's already 10:39. Oh my god. If you're actually wondering who I'm talking to this person right here, Shopkins 101 fan, giving it away to everybody. Wait, where is it? I don't even know. It's over here. It might be reversed for you, but there you go. Go harass her. Look her up on YouTube. Go harass her channel. Okay. Ongoing call. Cool. So, dot. Getting back to more programming. Switching view. Cool. We are back in business. Okay. What I was talking about, color. Oh, hello. I see Jasmine. What's up? Dooba-dooba-doop boop. Dooba-dooba-doop boop 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 boop. Dooba-dooba-doop boop. Dooba-dooba-doop boop boop. Dooba-dooba-doop boop. Dooba-dooba-doop boop boop. Boop-boop-boop boop. Hopefully I'm not lagging. It'd be really bad if I'm lagging. Am I lagging, people? Trust me, am I lagging? I'll just ask her in the chat. So I'm still using my own Wi-Fi. Am I lagging? Question mark. Send message. Judging by how long it took you to get that message, like you can tell if it's lagging or not. Sorry, I just keep interrupting myself with this thing. I'm like, let's go do something else. Create C# script. Make sure I'm doing the right thing. Check it out. Material. Dark. Oh, that's not dark. It's dark. But forget it. Let's just go ahead and do that anyway. Dark. Make it darker. Substantially darker. Needs to be more darker. And less metallic, that's for sure. I think my dad just came home. I think I hear the garage door. So I might have to end this stream short, sadly. Let's see, how well is this? Yep, we definitely have movement. I should be able to change that, actually. Hold up, this cube is navigation static. Bake it. So this will hopefully make this a little thing I can stand on top of. Actually, hold up. Yeah, see, it's walkable. But it's not necessarily big enough to be walked upon. Not big enough to stand on it. So I'm gonna make it actually make it like 4x4. So the game will sense, oh yeah, I can actually walk on this. It's made walkable areas. How big? It has to be at least 0.6. So yeah, I can definitely walk on this now. So let's try it out. And let's try and walk on it. Hopefully it'll be fine. Actually, I spawned on top. You see, I can't jump off of it. That's actually kind of a thing I can fix. Actually, right now. See, I can't jump off of it because I didn't generate any off mesh links. So actually, I can go here to, where is it? Bake. I can click on plane. Oops, I'm about to shut down. I'm at 6% battery, people. This is not cool. Generate off mesh links, and also for your generate off mesh links. There we go. Now, and we should be able to jump on. And oops, I forgot. I'm in such of a rush now. I'm like derping. There we go. See all these extra little things? Use off mesh links. Basically, at any one of these points, I can jump down onto the ground below.
The garage door is open. The garage door is open.
Okay, it's hot. All that hot here in the garage.
Make it so I can jump a little bit higher.
Jay?
Is that? Bake it. Step height 4.4.3.
And two-legged snake.
Generally reasonable, and he turns on the TV. 1. So I can jump back on top of here. Now it should be able to work. Let's go. Success! We have operations. Kind of glitchy slightly, but it works. You can click, you can move, and do whatever you want. There we have the first part of our working game. This is the simple, ridiculously simple code right here. It's like a barely anything we have right now. Only code this game is even running. Well, of course, other than the built-ins. This is all it's running. And we are essentially doing excellent.